Paying with Klarna on the PlayStation Store is a convenient way to manage your gaming purchases. Here's how to do it. Ensure Klarna is available. Before starting, verify that Klarna is an accepted payment method in your region on the PlayStation Store. Browse the PlayStation Store. Log into your PlayStation account on your console or through the PlayStation website. Browse for the games, add-ons, or subscriptions you want to purchase. Add items to cart. Once you find a product, click on it to view details, then select Add to Cart. Proceed to checkout. After adding your desired items, navigate to your cart and click on Checkout to start the payment process. Select Klarna as payment method. In the payment section, look for Klarna among the available payment options. Select it to continue. Log into Klarna. You may be prompted to log into your Klarna account or create one if you don't have it yet. Follow the prompts to connect your Klarna account. Choose your payment plan. Choose your preferred payment option, such as paying in installments or later, and confirm your selection. Complete the purchase. Review your order details and complete the transaction. You will receive confirmation from both PlayStation and Klarna.